A secret drink that melts belly fat in 7 days, the strongest drink for weight loss. Today I am sharing with you a very effective ginger and lemon drink for removing belly fat and losing weight. The effect of ginger on weight loss has been confirmed by several studies as it promotes detoxification and helps speed up the metabolism, making fats melt faster. Slice the ginger, place it in a blender, pour over with 400 milliliters of water and mix. Strain the ginger, which contains everything needed to strengthen immunity and burn fat, facilitating weight loss. In addition to ginger, lemon is used to melt fatty tissue, since both ginger and lemon promote the melting of fat and the removal of waste from the body. Add lemon juice to the ginger juice and store the drink in the refrigerator in a glass bottle. It is always better to consume this drink early in the morning to wake you up, boost your immune system, and kickstart your metabolism. If the drink is too strong, you can dilute it with water. Write from which city you are watching us. It's nice to know that we have followers all over the world. Thank you for watching our account. Please click the like button if you liked the video.